In the previous lessons, we covered implicit type conversions, but JavaScript also has another kind of typecasting, implicit type conversions, also called coercion. As a loosely typed language, JavaScript allows variables to hold any type of value without declaring a specific type. This flexibility leads to implicit type conversions in many operations. Let's look at some examples to understand how coercion works. Result is string 10 minus 2, and the result is 8. Here you can see that JavaScript tries to help you by guessing what you are trying to do. In this case, perform subtraction. It automatically converts the string 10 to the number 10 and performs subtraction on numbers. The result of automatic conversions is not always as straightforward as in the example above, and many people find the results confusing. For example, string 10 plus 2, the result is 102. This time, JavaScript does something different. It converts the number 2 to a string and performs string concatenation. As you remember, the plus operator is used to concatenate or merge strings. For example, this is plus a sentence results in this is a sentence. So if one part of an expression is a string and we use the plus operator, JavaScript assumes that you are trying to perform string concatenation. Let's look at other examples. Strings 5 times 2, result is 10. And string 5 divided by string 2, here in both cases, the strings are automatically casted to numbers, and multiplication and division are performed. This makes sense since multiplication and division operators can only be used in the context of mathematical operations.